Nakakain tayo ng mga pagkain Pinoy. So, see you there!
So hello guys, so
Good morning.
good morning mga kamay friends. So ngayon papunta ko kami sa
Bisbane.
Wiesbaden at
Movie Fest.
magano ka magtitinda sa Obi Peso. Pagkikita ko namin mamaya sa inyo. So let's go mga kamay friend. Bye.
See you there.
Takpan mo na be.
Hey guys. Pupunta tayo sa Bisbane. May na yung boses ko. Mayroon doon mga ilan, di ko alam kung ilang
43 yata.
stall holders yung nandun. Kung 43 ba.
Basta
Basta madami. Ang makikita natin doon, iba't ibang klase ng pagkain ng mga Pilipino. Yung mga pagkain natin sa Pilipinas, makikita natin doon.
So ayan guys. Ito na kami sa labas. Wait lang namin si Laura, yung anak na natin ni Nita. And then pupunta na kami ng Wiesbaden. At yan, malamig. Pangit pa naman ang weather mga kamaypen. Yan yung weather. Anong weather? Pangit ang weather mga kamaypen.
First time ko lang makapunta ng Wiesbaden. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo dito. First time ko pa rin pumunta doon. Nakakain tayo ng mga pagkain Pinoy. So, see you there! Ayan yata siya.
A few moments later.
So guys, dito na kami guys. So,
Nakakalit talaga. Wala pa lang.
Wiesbaden to.
Ayan kasi yun.
So guys, naka-OB Fest na ho tayo.
12 seconds later.
Hallo, was für ein Fleisch ist da bei Schopau? Schwein? Haben Sie Rind oder Hähnchen?
Haben wir Rindfleisch von
Schweinefleisch. Ah, alles Schwein.
Entschuldigung. Punta ka doon para mag-take sa harap. Punta ko doon. Kaya Libanes, oh. Oh.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of
Dito ang sabaw.
Mag-750 yun. Ilan na siya? Ano yun? Meron ako rin. 30 muna. Ito, embutido. Asan yung ano? Yung...
Usually yung hindi ko siya, abuo siya.
Okay. It's okay. Sinits naman yan. That's fine. Baka iba yung ano. Ako na magbabayad ng 30 ha. Hoy, ako na magbabayad ng 30. Reserve. Reserve ha. Reserve 4. Reserve 4. Ano yan? Kumita ka na. Busy. Salamat. Sarap. Sa matataas na.
Doon mag-order. Yung siopaw, yeah, dalawa. Magkano po yung siopaw? Pero makakain na siya.
Pwede ka ba? Masyado ilan po ma'am?
Dalawa.
Yung... Pag-ano ka ng cement na yun?
Nakakain na po yan natin. Nakakain eh.
Twice ka ba?
Oo, tinay ko na nga.
Ano, may bro check?
Pagyan mo.
Bratwurst longganisa. Meron kami bratwurst longganisa. Meron din. Patay na. Baka doon patay. Patay siya eh.
Hindi, pinatay namin kasi hindi namin ulit. Kaso,
Patay eh.
null siya. Zero. Dapat 200 to 400.
House. Patay talaga yung wala na tayong strom. Dapat sabihin.
Tinano na namin ang kasama.
Balik na lang po kayo. Dali na po.
Dalawang serving, rice. Dalawang servings. One longganisa.
Rice only lang.
Rice isa lang.
Yes, kita kain.
8 pieces. Ayun po.
May kuryente kayo dito, darling? Generator?
Kanina. Lugan isa.
9, bratwurst. One bus divided. Kaya ya.
Nga Ninita.